beautiful today. If I don't catch one fish, I'm enjoying this beautiful day. Look at it, you can see the clouds on the water, it's so smooth. God. Good part about this too, if a school of reds or something get to running on top of the water, you'll be able to see them from a distance and sneak up on them. Yeah, just getting out here a few minutes ago, and I don't see too much movement right now. I see some bait, but I got a few spots I'm gonna hit. I'm not gonna be out here long. I got off from work at 5 o'clock this morning, went home, took a shower, hopped in the truck and came on out here. So I drove 50 miles home and 60 miles back out here to the water. I guess I'm just an addict. Oh well. Time to see what it do. I got Deadly Dudley, and I got some H&H that kind of look like the Deadly Dudley, so I'm probably gonna give them a try and see what's gonna happen. Signing out. See some birds right here, look like they was working. Whew. I was pedaling fast trying to get over here. Trying to see where they going down, and it was hitting the water like they was working on the school. But now they stopped. Oh, oh! I followed the birds, and look what I ran into. Chasing birds. Chase them birds, babe. Look what I got. Pretty redfish too. Oh. Follow them birds. You look like he might be a little too short. Ooh, he swallowed that bad boy. Ooh, I gotta get back on them birds. Ooh, I gotta get back on them birds. Yes, he'll do 21. I thought it was gonna be too short. He just narrow, just skinny. Ooh, he 21. Look at it. Really 21 and a quarter. So, well, babe, I guess you're going in the bag. I gotta get back on them birds. Yes. It was funny to do because my boy just left. He said he wanted to get on the birds. He just left about 5 minutes ago. As soon as he left, I seen some birds. And I took off and I began chasing them. Let me hurry up and get this one in the bag and get back out there. Ooh, I was chasing one bird. Oh, I was chasing one bird. Ooh, I was chasing one bird. I seen him keep hitting the top of the, oh, gap top. No, I thought that was another red. Oh, God dog it. There go the birds again. I'm trying to see if I can ease up and catch me another one. Come on, where they at? Show yourself. They had a big one show herself earlier. I couldn't get them, then I turned back and went back toward the birds again, and Oh, there they go. They're right over there. Come on. Come on, which way they going? Man, this is fun working them birds. Sometimes when the birds do that, sometimes the fish will show themselves, sometimes they won't. So a lot of times I wait till where I watch the bird go down. When he go down, I just throw kind of in that general area and see if I can hit something. Yeah, I don't see it. Come on, where they at? They're not showing themselves. Oh, come on, birds, where y'all at? Change baits from what I hit on earlier. I got on the H&H. Earlier I hit it on the Deadly Dudley. And I want to switch it back, but these birds right here, trying to see if I can sneak up and hit something else right under the birds again. Oh, over there. They're over there. Come on. Come on, bird. Show where they at. Reveal them to me. Something hitting it. Oh, 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 oh. Take it. Hit it harder. Something small. You can't do nothing with it. I can't even see. There you go. Oh. I knew it. Right under them birds. 14 inches. Right under them birds. Let's see. Been out here for a little while. I wasn't planning on staying long anyway. Tide not moving. Haven't seen anybody caught any fish, but I had a chance to catch a few chasing the birds. That was fun. That was real fun. I was hoping to see more, but I didn't expect too much anyway. Like I always check the tide, and like I said, when the tide is that far apart between high and low tide, a lot of the times the water don't move too much and you don't really catch much. But I still enjoyed myself so far. Trying out new baits. And so yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You know, sometimes you have good days, sometimes you have bad. That's what I love about it, because I just keep on fishing.